Now in this video, here is the question that you have to find the value of the term in the expansion of x minus 1 over x whole power 8, which is independent of x. Now I have solved this question for you. In this question you will check that we have used minus sign, but in the binomial expansion we have used a plus sign. I have told you in my previous videos that I will solve one of this type for you. So I have solved here and I will tell you how which techniques I have used here. First of all, I will write x minus 1 over x whole power 8, and I am going to write this in terms of positive form. How can I write it? I will write it x plus inside the parentheses I write minus 1 over x, right? In this case it will take the form x plus y whole power 8 or a plus b whole power 8, as we have done in our expansion a plus b whole power n. So in this case, in place of a we have x, and in place of b we have minus 1 over x. Keep it in mind that in place of b I am using whole minus 1 over x term, right, in this form. Same procedure will apply here. We will check what is the power here. So the power is 8 here. So I am going to start it starting from 8, and for second place we will start from 0. First start from 8 and second will start from 0. Then second thing is that first term power will be this 8. It will be 8 minus 0, right? Difference of these. 8 minus 0 will give you 8. And second term power, which is minus 1 over x, I will going to use whole of it, minus 1 over x with parentheses. So second term I have written minus 1 over x whole with parentheses, and its power will be 0, which is 0 here, right? This is the first thing. Now second term will be 8c1 x power 8 minus 1, which is the difference of this, and minus 1 over x. Second term power will be 1, which is here 1. I have done it here. Third term will be 8c2. I am going to increase 0, 1, 2, and the 8 will remain same because it is our main exponent, right? Just I am going to increase 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and up till it will go and end at 8c8, right? So third term will be 8c2. X power will be difference of this, and second term, which is minus 1 over x, I will take its power as 2. Keep it in mind, you have to write minus everywhere. Don't omit minus sign. This is very important, because if the power of minus sign is odd number, sign will be minus, and if the power of minus is an even number, the answer will be plus. So it's very important, don't omit this minus sign. And it is next fourth term will be 8c3. X power will be the difference of this one, and second term is minus 1 over x, and its power will be 3. Just I'm going to do this thing. 8c4 x power difference of this, and minus 1 over x power will be 4 here. Then 8c5 x power will be difference of this, and minus 1 over x power will be 5. Similarly 8c6, 8c7, 8c8 x power will be difference of this 8 minus 8, and second term minus 1 over x power will be 8 here. Just I have done this first step for you, and keep it in mind whenever you are solving the question, my teacher always said me that try to solve the question in such a way that the person, if you are going to teach anyone, you have to teach him, or whatever you are teaching the student, you have to teach from zero step. Each and every step you have to teach him. So whenever you are solving a question, keep in mind that you are teaching someone, and if you are teaching someone, you have to teach him each and every step. So this is the rule of mathematics for solving a question. If you keep in mind this rule, you can get full marks. And it's for your favor, because if you are not doing any step, if you are going to omit any step, for example, some children, they are not writing the plus or minus sign properly. In the next step, the question will take another form, and it will go to a wrong procedure, and your answer will be wrong at the end. So try to write each and every step properly. As you can see, I have written my first step is, you can see, it will take all these things, right? In the next step, I am going to solve 8C0, 8C1, 8C2, right? You know about this 8 factorial, difference of 8 minus 1, and 1 factorial. Just I am writing this, and you can see the power of minus 1 over x will be 0. Power is 0, then it will be 1. Power minus 1 over x is 1, so it will write with the minus sign. If the power is 1 over x positive number, then power will be written as with positive sign. This minus will be converted into positive sign. And if the power of this is odd number, which is 3 here, so it will become minus 1 over x3. After these solving all these things, 8 factorial, 8c, you can see I'm going to write each and every step. For example, 8 factorial over 7 factorial. I will write 8 factorial in 8 multiplied by 7 factorial, because in denominator I have 7 factorial. So I will not write 7, 4, 5, 6 of all the numbers. I will write it here 7 factorial and stop here. So 7 factorial will cancel 7 factorial, right? And you can see here minus sign, x power 7 divided by x, it will give you x power 6, but with minus sign. Don't omit this minus sign, because when they have given a number like that, x minus 1 over x, or whatever, x minus 6, or they are given x minus 2 or 2 minus x, whatever the form of this will be, don't omit any sign in any step, because sign is very important in this case. You can say check minus sign here. This term will also have a minus sign. X power 7 will have a minus sign. This has a x power 4, it will be in denominator. This has a minus sign, right? So all these things, if you will solve it, you can easily calculate the right coefficient, what is the demand of the question. So in this case, the question saying the value of the term in the expansion of this which is independent of x. So I have done all these things, doing each and every step, cut in the numerator, denominator, the numbers with the same table. And after that, at the end, you will see what I have left. I have left 70 power x, 70 multiplied by x power 0. X power 0 meaning it is 1. So this is the term which is independent of x, 70, right? So the answer of this question will be 70. This is the term which is independent of x. So this will be our answer, 70, sorry, right? I think so you can easily understand. Just simplification I have done for you, and I have told you, then don't miss any of the sign, minus sign, because it's very important. You can see x power 2 over x power 6 I have written as 1 over x power 4 in the next step, minus 1 over x power 6, because 1 x will be finished here, 1 over x 8. X power 4 divided by x power 4 will give you 1. X power 6 over x power 2 will give you x power 4. X power 5, x power 3 will give you x power 2 with minus sign. So all these things, these are very important in our solution. So this is done for you, as I have promised in my previous videos that I will let you know how can we find the expression in which we have minus involved. Just you will write it x plus, in parentheses you will write minus 1 over x. So in this regard you will consider this whole part as the second term, and if you will do in this way, the solution will be very easy for you. Hopefully you can understand, and by using all these things you can easily solve the exercise 9.1 of A-level mathematics, pure mathematics. This is our exercise 9.1, and I have done in my 3 videos. If you can see these 3 videos, this one and previous 2 videos, you can easily calculate these questions. Thank you.